Joins us for our weather back in the Triad. Carly, sadly we don't have any of those extremely sunny temperatures, but at least it's not raining much anymore.
Right, those storms, those have cleared on out and left us with a beautiful view, beautiful sunrise. Taking that look out over Myrtle Beach for this morning. Not the gloomy, kind of foggy view that we saw over Greensboro just before. Quite a difference, and we will bring back some sunshine back here at home as well as we get going throughout the rest of today. But there's that cold front, and really here's those storms that move through, really what's left of them into the early overnight hours. Back behind, really not any activity. Of course, we saw the fog. We do have some of the mist, the drizzle, some very light little showers left over, and then a lot more activity left over on the backside of this system. So we are still watching this because you can see this spin, and then there's that thicker cloud cover even back down behind it. So as this continues off towards the east, we really are going to watch for that stray shower chance today, and then also it clipping really just our mountains as we go into the afternoon, evening. Not talking stormy activity, just some showers, light rain. Even for this morning, as we just talked about, not much out there, just the leftover kind of little fog, mist, drizzle for some as you get going. Others already have some of the breaks in the clouds and some sunshine working their way here. Temperatures low 50s for a good portion, 57 in Burlington, 56 in Asheboro, and 48 in Galax. So take the jacket for this morning, keep it around for today because our winds, they are going to pick up. Right now it's pretty calm coming out of the north. This will change towards out of the west and be pretty windy for today. Around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting upwards about 25. And for right now, and probably just going to stay this way as well, we do have that wind advisory out west. Starts at 4 o'clock this afternoon, goes until 10 o'clock for your Monday, and this is where we can see some gusts higher than 30 miles per hour. So could see a few little trees down, some power outages. I don't think we'll have too many widespread issues, but I would keep the jackets because the wind going to make us feel quite a bit cooler from time to time. Hour by hour forecast for this morning, there's more of that thicker cloud cover. Our 20% rain chance for today, just some passing showers with that cloud cover even into afternoon, evening. Some have a bit more clouds while others have a bit more sunshine, kind of the mixed skies for today depending on where you are, and temperatures upper 60s, low 70s. Also depending on where you are and that cloud cover. Afternoon, evening time frame still for most, just that possible passing shower. While that rain chance out west, here's kind of that tail end of that system. There's our 30% rain chance for the mountains. As you can see, it kind of stays to even the western side of us, and it's all very light. Not stormy activity, not like what we had overnight, and just seeing some light amounts out west. Then overnight, breaking things apart, including that cloud cover. So for your Monday morning, still have some clouds, but starting dry. Then plenty of sunshine does come back for Monday afternoon. Temperatures still staying to the mid to upper 60s. Will be staying breezy as well. Tuesday, things calm down. We get back towards the low 70s. Plenty of sunshine. Our next rain and storm chance does come back for your Wednesday, Thursday, and temperatures are staying to the 70s, even climbing to the upper 70s by your Saturday.
Carly,